Hi there and welcome to this quick cool down and stretch by Fitness Lakshya. So today we'll be doing a total of 15 stretches holding each one for 20 seconds. So the first one will be a wide-legged forward fold. Take a wide stance and fold from your torso all the way through. Stretch your arms up above your head and even get a deep stretch in your shoulders. Next up, we'll have the inside thigh stretch. Squat down on one of your legs, either left or right, and stretch the other leg as much as possible all the way from the thigh, hamstring to the toes. Point your toes for a deeper stretch. We'll repeat the same inside thigh stretch on the other side. Switch over. Bend forward a little bit to get a deeper stretch in the thigh. Next up, we have a quadricep stretch. Stand on one of your feet and pull the other foot back onto your buttock. You may need the support of a chair or a wall for this if you're not good at balancing. Now try and press that foot into the hip as much as possible to stretch that quad out. We'll switch over and do the same thing on the other side. Try and pull the knee down and back to exaggerate the stretch as much as you can. Next up, we have an arm stretch. Take your right arm and pull it all the way over to the left side. Try and get the arm under your chin. This should really stretch your right shoulder out and even the bicep and tricep. A few more seconds to go. We'll do the same thing on the other side now. Now take your left arm and pull it all the way onto your right side. As you can see, I'm trying to get my arm under my chin for a deeper stretch. Next up, we have a pyramid stretch. Place your right foot forward and your left foot at a 45-degree angle. Now bend over and try to touch the ground with your hands. This will really stretch your hamstring out. Let's switch over and do the same thing on the other side. Place your left foot forward and the right foot at a 45-degree angle. If you can't touch the ground with your hands, that's okay. Just push as much as you can. Next up, we have a downward facing dog. Put your palms on the floor and try and get a triangle shape with your body. Pull your hips all the way up towards the sky. Ideally, your heels should be touching the floor, but it's okay if you're not able to just yet. Next up, we have the cobra stretch. Lay face down and place your palms on the sides of your shoulders. Now raise your head and torso upwards slowly as high as you can. This should really stretch those core muscles out. Following this, we have the child's pose. Now, like a child, sit with your feet underneath your thighs and bend over, placing your arms in front of your head. Now, try and stretch those shoulders out by trying to reach as far as you can with your arms. Up next, we have a figure 4 stretch. Lay supinely on your back and place your right foot over the left thigh, trying to form a figure 4. Now with your arms, try and pull the left thigh in, giving it a deep glute stretch. We'll be doing the same thing on the other side. Switch over by placing the left foot on your right thigh and pulling your right thigh in towards your torso. Our last stretch will be a full body stretch. Lay flat on your back and stretch all the way from your arms to your legs. Feel the stretch in your torso, your upper thighs, your hamstrings, your arms. This is our last stretch. And we're done. So hopefully you guys are feeling all stretched out and relaxed. Please do subscribe to our channel Fitness Lakshya. You can reach out to us on our social media handles at Fitness Lakshya on Facebook and Instagram. We'll be back with more content. See you soon. Bye.